In this episode, with mere weeks to go before the boat goes in the water, Jacqueline and I take a Saturday, get on board, and start defining our projects. Welcome aboard.
Hey, come here. Want a treat? Want a treat? You sure do. Good girl.
Hey everybody. So that's a pretty typical Saturday morning for us in the old household. It definitely involves caffeination, letting the dog out to go do her thing, and of course I'm going to reward her when she gets back. Why wouldn't I? She loves those treats. But after brunch on Saturday, Jacqueline and I, not Chloe, went out to the boat and started poking around and ripping some things out and doing some templates and all sorts of other stuff. So want to share that with you. Most importantly, though, for the Marina, there is no ice. It's all gone, which means it's just a couple of weeks until the boats go in the water. Before we dive into that, though, I want to explain the rather lurid background here. I'm working remotely for a few days, so yeah, this is a hotel room. Anyway, on to the footage. See you later. The water levels sure do look low. So this is a post from the Facebook page of the International Lake Ontario St. Lawrence River Board. Just an excerpt. Lake Ontario water levels are near their seasonal low point and are expected to begin their seasonal rise. And under most potential forecast scenarios, Lake Ontario levels are expected to remain below the long-term average for the next several weeks. So we'll see how that pans out. How's it going under there?
Great when I can find the screws.
Huh?
It's just like 1 in 10.
No.
Oh, 2 in 10.
Oh, you're almost there. Yeah.
Your way was so much easier.
My way was a lot more violent and damaging, but yes, it was easier. Oh, anyway, that's the old battery charger. Holy hell.
I've been talking about replacing that Loran, well, pretty much since I got the boat. I mean, it's retro, but not really what I want. So I got some starboard, and I may mount the VHF radio in there. So what I did was I took a pattern. I'll bring that home, cut the starboard, see if I can get it to fit, maybe put the VHF radio in there. Who knows? It might actually work. Whew. Yeah, took out some stuff. There's a piece in the galley that I'll show you, and then the little edging surrounding the dinette. We noticed last year that the top was sagging, so I removed that today. And then we saw all the water damage back here. I think I figured out where it's coming in from, and I can seal that off. But debating what to do with the material. I'm going to fit a new template and replace the top, but not sure if I'm going to cut away that fabric and replace it, or if I'm just going to clean it.
probably add
An inch or two.
um,
So you're thinking of Valance or Valanche, whatever it's pronounced,
kind of.
or what about fabric with snaps? That would snap into place there.
Yeah. Something that takes care of that kind of ugly window.
Yeah. I took that piece, although it was already broken. But I want to replace this all with white. I think that'll frame the door nicely.
Hey, so that was a couple of really productive hours for us on the boat. Got some templates done for the Loran on the one hand, but you saw Jacqueline measuring out and templating the dinette cushions. She's going to completely recover those. I think it's a cream colored vinyl. It's going to look really, really amazing. And as well, probably some indoor Pfeiffer techs for the window above the galley. That's going to provide some better light filtering and a little more privacy. That'll be super helpful if we have some people staying over and they stay in the salon. As well, took a look at the original battery charger on the boat, and I have to say it is time for an upgrade. Another 35 amp 3 bank charger is definitely coming out of the budget. And finally, that cupboard in the galley where there was some water damage. I took the top off of that cupboard, so I'll template it, cover it probably in headliner material, and then replace it once I do a little more sealing. And I think I know where the source of that small leak is coming from. Still not sure what I'll do with the fabric, either just try and clean it or just cut it out and replace the whole thing. Anyway, it's all fun. Exciting as well is the fact that there is no ice at the marina, but the water levels sure do appear low. So I'll have to track that over the next couple of weeks and just see how that affects us getting our boat in the water. If you like what you saw, jam the subscribe button, click like, all that wonderful stuff, and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye now.